Hello students, welcome to this video. So in this video now we will discuss about the WordPress dashboard. In the previous videos, like I explained about the XAMPP installation and WordPress installation locally in your computer using XAMPP, and also I explained about the installation of the WordPress in cPanel if you have a domain and hosting. So the things has been done. Now we will use the WordPress locally, like which we have installed local in our computer using XAMPP server. So we will use that dashboard. So now here you can see the dashboard localhost /WordPress /WP-admin, and on the left side you can see home, updates, posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, and in appearance we have more sections like themes, customize, widgets, menus, and theme editor. In plugins we have more sections like install plugins, add new plugin editor. Even in post we have these sections. In pages we have these sections. In every section we have more sections like users, tools, and settings. On the top we can see there is a toolbar. Like on the right side we can see how the admin the username. From here we can edit our profile or we can log out from the dashboard. Here the new, like we can create a new post, media, or page, or user. And here you can see something like you can visit site from here. And in the dashboard, like you can see, this is one plugin update is available, and this one, for example, this one is for comments. So this one is for comments and this one is for the updates. Now in this dashboard, like you can see, welcome to WordPress, and there are different things you can see, like you can customize your site from here. You can also customize from appearance, customize, or change your theme completely from here, or we can also change from appearance theme section. We can see like in the next steps, like we can write our first blog post from here. We can also write from here. We can add an about page, or we can also add from the pages section. We can set up our home page as static front page, or we can also go to settings and the reading section. We can view your site, we can view our site from here, or we can also visit site from here. We can manage widgets or menus from here, and also in the appearance, widgets and menus we can turn comments on or off from here, and we can also in the settings, in the discussion section, we can learn more about getting started. This is the first steps with the WordPress link. You can also check this one. At a glance, like when we install the WordPress, we have one post, one comment, and one page. This is by default, like dummy content, which we can delete later. This is quick draft section. So here we can create a quick draft which will not publish but will save in the post section as a draft. In activity, like we can see what recently we have published. Right now we have not published yet anything. So this is the latest post, like hello world, which is the dummy post installed with the installation. We can see here. And in the recent comment section, like we can see the recent comments and WordPress events and news. Like here we can see different links about the WordPress latest events and news. So these all things in the screen options, like you can see, if you don't want to see, like you can uncheck them, and you can see nothing is appearing in the dashboard, and all things we can do from here. But if you want to check, if you want to see them, you can check these options and those will appear here. So this is the simple WordPress dashboard which I have explained, like all the things we can do from here and we can also do from here. So in the next videos, obviously we will learn, I will teach you all the things one by one, but the interface of the dashboard I have explained in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.